YouTube. Today I wanna make a review of a device called Kindle Fire HDX with 4G with SIM card. It's a model from 2013. Original price around $220. Now you can get it used one for €40. Okay, it's from 40 to €100, depend on the quality or depend on the usage. But I not recommend you to take any of this, except you use it only for reading, because as a normal tablet it cannot be used anymore. And I gonna show you today why it's not working as expected. So this configuration is very cool. I mean, it is full HD. It's not full HD. It's 1120 by 1200 pixel. It has 4G LTE modem. It should have Office, and it has 2.2 GHz quad-core processor and 2 GB RAM. So it's pretty cool tablet. And when I were buying it, I wanna use it as GPS inside my car. It's a 7-inch size, so not super big, and I can put SIM card and use Google Maps, because my telephone is sometimes is going down when I'm driving, and sometimes it just cannot connect to network. So I want to install data SIM and have GPS with online traffic, have some music, can stream through Bluetooth to my audio system in the car, and I have Amazon account, so my music is in Amazon. Anyway, this was idea. What happened in reality? In reality, you get in this device with outdated Fire OS. Fire OS is Amazon operating system. It's not a Android system. I have some Android telephone, but this is something else. This is something else, which is like, this is my main screen, okay? So, I mean, it's not working like you going through your pages like a normal Android telephone. It's not, you not have your application, you need to go somewhere here. And the funny thing, I get in games. Yeah, this is the first funny thing. Somehow it decides that it goes this portrait mode by himself. I mean, okay, I show you one more time. Where is my go home? And I go again, games. Okay, games. And inside games, my PDF reader. Suddenly, anyway, this is not the one I show you. So the bad things, what happened? I tried to install application and I found there is no Google Maps. Yeah, now it's here, but originally no Google Maps. So you have some local version of maps. I don't know who made it, but it's not a Google Maps. It's some other version of maps. And I say, okay, no problem. I'm gonna install Google Maps. Where is the store? So I went to the store. Where is my store? Oh yeah, shop. In Amazon it's shop. Oh, okay. And I say I want Google Maps. I mean, it's 2018. Google Maps is everywhere. Google Maps, yeah, Google Maps. And what? Guess what they told me? Yeah, you got Google Maps here. Silk browser just once. Anyway, long story short, the Google Maps is not here. You can open it only from web browser. You cannot install it from the shop. I tried one more time. I mean, this is annoying. Anyway, we go and we search here and we say, I want Google Maps. Google Maps, give it to me. Google Maps. And guess what? There is no Google Maps. In the official store, there is no Google Maps. Really? Yes, really. No Google Maps. And I say, okay, this is weird. No Google Maps? What these people, I mean, how they... Yeah, a lot of other application, but no Google Maps. There is application called Maps ME, but the first comment says, like, it's maps from 2015. It's, I have seen some other comment which were saying like it's a dead application without any updates. Anyway, no Google Maps. I say, okay, then if no Google Maps, then maybe I can get at least Google Chrome. Ah no, the second one was YouTube. I say, okay, I want a YouTube, you know. I went and searched for YouTube, and it has application which called YouTube, but somehow when you play movies from YouTube, it's hanged. It just hangs, screen is not responsive, you can go back to your home screen. It's happening when you're trying to make it full screen. So any YouTube video you try to make full screen, it just hang. I mean, what kind of operating system is it? You don't have YouTube application on it. I mean, and it's last OS. It's upgraded in August this year, August. Very strange. Anyway, YouTube crashes, doesn't work. So what's left? I say, okay, give me at least Google Chrome. I mean, I don't like the silky browser. Give me Google Chrome. It also doesn't exist, and I mean, nothing is here exist. Like Amazon is, I don't know, this guy from 2000 or they from early. Look, I like Amazon. They're doing great things, but I also don't like to criticize anything. But this device, it's completely unsupported. This operating system completely unsupported, and I am very disappointed how such product can be even sold. I mean, as a book reader, probably yes, it's cool, but as a tablet, no chance. And at the end, I like to show you how also this I try to get Amazon Alexa. I mean, I install Amazon Alexa, I log into my Amazon account with Alexa, and I didn't find a way how to talk with her. I mean, I were looking around where is the button how to speak with Alexa, and I did not find any button how. I mean, I press, there is two buttons. You press this and say playback control not supported. I'm not sure why. You go this and you get back your screen, and there is no button like in Siri, you know. In Siri, like I have my iPad here, very old veteran iPad. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
Siri is here. I didn't get how this Alexa, Amazon, famous Amazon Alexa, which everywhere now, how I can talk using this device with Alexa. It's just not, there is no option to talk. I mean, you have many things, but no way you talk to this. I mean, you get Alexa, but you cannot talk to it. So anyway, we almost ended here. Yes, I show you how I install, how did I install at the end this Google Maps. So you go internet through, I mean, you connect this device to your computer. It's coming as a USB drive, like you get a folder with name. And you go internet and you search APK file, which is some Android application in standalone format. And you search for this APK file and you copy into your Kindle. I put it in download folder, and then you have something easy install. Easy install is available from official store. You search for it, it will be coming. Easy install, easy installer. Here it is on the top. So you just install easy install, you run it, and it's going through all your folder. You can select, where is it? I didn't get what, local. Yeah, you go and you say scan application. So it scan all your folder and it show you all APK file what you copy in your device. You see, I copy YouTube, I copy 2 versions of Google Maps, I copy 3 versions of YouTube, no one of them working, and I copy TubeMate, doesn't work either, and I copy Google Play Service because YouTube is complaining he will not work without Google Play Service. I mean, pretty surprising application doesn't work without Google Play Service. I mean, it's like, I don't know, I mean, not sure. Anyway, then you can select any of them and it will be installed. I will not show you, just click say install it, it will install, and that's how I got Google Map in this device. I was always wondering from where we got thousands of Android devices with viruses. And now I found a way how viruses come into Android devices. People downloading something from internet like I did, installing, and here we are, virus. And as I show you, I installed several versions, and I just wonder which version of them made by some hacker who will steal my password for Amazon's. Anyway, this is a Google Map. It's working now. Still did not test with the SIM card, but I mean, I can select. Let's go to London. London, yes, London, UK. It's work a little bit strange. I mean, it's always searching London as a London. It never want to go to London. So I need to say something like I like to travel to London. London, one more time. Well, my idea was like, okay, London, yes. And it's I cannot connect. I think it's because it's installed not through regular way, through some. I won't go London. Go to London. I mean, this is like who developing such things? Like you cannot use it. Go where? Ah, yeah, you press go, then you say my location. Oh, come on. And I want go London, like go London. No. Well, what I were going to do, I were going to use this button, like I want go London, but this button doesn't work. London, no way. This device not speaking. Anyway, will I go London or no? Okay, probably not today. Yes, London City Airport. Go. Cannot connect. Unbelievable. One more time. I mean, of course it's make useless this device. I cannot use it anymore as expected. What I gonna do, I gonna probably root it and reprogram it into normal Android version. And I'm not sure how long does it take, and the easy things is just to sell it as it is to somebody who like Kindle as a Kindle, and not as a tablet for entertainment, and not as a tablet for GPS and Siri. Will you go to London or no? London. Yeah, you see this application pretty slow. I think I need to download another APK file, which probably has better virus version, because this version makes my tablet very slow. And I will not tell you about this, I mean, the plastic bag, all of this shit. Who cares what is the bag, and who cares about sound quality if this tablet just doesn't do the basic function? I mean, why would you care about how you feel and how screen good? I mean, nobody care if you cannot use Google Map on it. Yeah, it's 8 hours. Okay, will we go? Start. Yeah, also I can show you, see the Google Maps really doesn't work in well. Okay, come on. Get me in focus. So finally it's able to find how to go London, and it showed me a way. But you see, it's a pain to use it. I mean, I can show you same what you do on iPad. I mean, probably I can do it like this. Siri, open me direction to London.
I can help you find a place of U-turn on location services. Go to privacy settings, select location services.
I got you. Location services on. Siri, can you please guide me to London?
I can help you find a place if you turn on location services.
Really? One more time. What do you want? Location services. Turn off. Location services. Ah, maybe Siri doesn't have access to it. Siri. Not now. Hello, yes. Not now. Siri, can you guide me to London?
I can help you find a place if you turn on location
Again?
services. Go to
Well, Siri was not ready. Now, Siri, you are here? You still never. Ah, never. Not now. Not now. While using. Yes, okay, let's go one more time. Siri, can you guide me to London?
getting directions to London, England.
Hey, you see, I mean, this is what I want from my GPS, like, yes, allow. I mean, I never used it before. It's iPad usually stay at home. Not now. Don't allow. So, and here you go. You go into London, and I think this is the way how device should work. You just say, Siri, can you guide me to Stuttgart?
Getting directions to Stuttgart.
I mean, this is what I want from my GPS device. Yes, and you just go to Stuttgart. Will it find the way? Yeah, and you just click, will you? Yeah, you say start, and we go. And that's what I am looking for as a good GPS device. But unfortunately, this small one not do the job.